I'm going to do a sample lather. From what I can tell, this brush is a ZenShave 24 millimeter premium Silvertip. It's got this little design on the end, neat woodwork, big thick handle. I've got big hands. It makes this brush look very short. Indeed, it's probably the shortest loft brush I've used. I've had it soaking now for a few minutes in water. Shed a couple of bristles. It's hard water, so we'll see if that affects anything. But just going to do a hand lather. The brush is so bulky and the loft is so short that my normal bowl, I kind of feel like it won't be as effective. So we'll just do a hand lather. I'm about to put you down at waist level so that we can watch that happen. All right, here is the sample. This is Reef Point Espresso soap. Kind of brown in color, as you would expect. The scent is a really nice, sweet espresso scent. I don't much like the tart coffee scents, but this one is really nice to me. So why don't we just try with, we'll shake a little, we'll make it so it doesn't drip. Okay, why don't we just start that and just see what happens in terms of loading it up. Such a small brush, but the handle is big, and so that makes me happy because I can easily grab it with my big hands. Lots of yeah, it's got a nice smell to it. It's a hard soap here. This might be akin to the Marco method, coming in with a bunch of water. Okay, surely I have enough soap, right? So we'll put that down there, and I'm going to try to do a little bit of cleanup here and gather up some of that soap. Wash the container off so that I can put it somewhere else on the counter without it making a soap ring. Okay. Oh, it's got such a nice smell to it. Maybe about the best coffee smell. Just dampen my hand a little bit. Let's just see what happens. The bristles feel good in my hands. When I was cleaning and kind of soaking the bristles before, right before the soak, I could feel the backbone as I went in a back and forth motion. Now when I swirled, it wasn't a problem because the swirl would make the backbone always bend in a different way. Look at that already. Pretty nice little lather. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to start a drip here so that I can just add a little bit of water at a time. Just see what happens. Smallest loft brush that I have. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice sheen on it. Well, Reef Point sure looks like it's a good performing soap so far. Might have to look at their other scents, but This looks really good. Add a little bit of water. Lather is getting more voluminous. Looking very good. Not having to work very hard at all to get a really nice lather built up. Add a couple more drops of water. Look at all that. Sure enough. Wow, I can't wait to try that sometime. That is so shiny. Wow, it looks terrific. I just shaved with something else and that is amazing. I wish I hadn't just shaved so that I can use this stuff. Wow. Nice. Don't even think I need to add any more water. Holy cow, looks great. Just trying to group the lather together in one area to try to show you the volume that we've got. But I'm not really good at that part of it yet, I reckon. And the brush has still got plenty. And look at that. It's fabulous. Wow. Nice sweet scent. Sweet coffee / espresso scent. Very nice. Alright, well there you go. Feels slick. Wonderful. So there you go. Reef Point Espresso quickly made a wonderful lather. Wow. I'm just going to rinse that off and look forward to shaving with that some other time. So part of this test was for the brush as well. And it's very nice wood grain patterns in here. Obviously the emblem on the end is neat. I wonder if it's countersunk a little bit more than typical so that the loft and everything would be shorter. I have no idea. But it felt great in the hand when the soap was on it. Sure feels like a Silvertip badger. And while I have not used this to shave yet, I look forward to trying that because it whipped up that lather with no problem at all, and it felt really good on my hand as I was working it. So I'm confident it'll feel great on the face as well. The only thing is that if you're a face latherer, is this little tiny knot gonna hold enough lather for you for like a 3-pass shave? But I usually bowl lather, so maybe won't be a problem. But so very impressed. I like this little guy.